We are going to make a one-pan English breakfast. Wow! Guys, I wish you can smell this. This smells amazing. Sawadee-ka everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today outdoor cooking is English breakfast by the Waterfall. Alright, and here is the ingredient. This ingredient is for hash brown. We have potatoes, egg, onion, cheese. I bought this one called แป้งทอดกรอบ or crispy flour if you have. If not, then corn flour will fine. Paprika powder. We have oil for fry, salt and pepper. Next one, we have the English breakfast set. We have bread, egg, sausages, baked beans, bacons and mushrooms. This mushroom I find the shiitake mushroom because I like shiitake mushroom. And let's get started, shall we? The first step, we are going to make hash brown. I don't have a proper shading things, but I have this one for papaya salad. I hope it works at the same time. I hope it works too. So let's try. That will do. Look at that. I think that will do. I'm just gonna try to go like make it as short as possible because normally papaya salad like you're gonna be like get a thick long one, but hash brown you want like a little short slide. Look at the view. Do you guys enjoy the cooking outdoor episode? This is the hardest part of woman to squeeze the juice and the starch out of potatoes. I have a weak hand, but we'll try my best. Try to squeeze it. You try to squeeze as much juice as you can. I'm gonna start by little, yeah? Nothing coming out. That's it. That's as much as I can squeeze. One. There you go. Ay. It's kind of fun. The last one. Yay. Okay. Done. Whoa. There you go. That's much juice coming out. How come the juice is brown? There you go. Now we're gonna season this one. Alright, the hand job is not over. Now we need to crush this one. Mix this one with onion, chopped onion, 1 egg. Ta-da! Salt and pepper. A good amount of salt. Pepper. Crispy flour. I think you can find in the Asia store. And cheese. A little bit of paprika. Now, mix everything together. Now we're going to shape the hash brown. I like probably this size. I'm gonna put it right here first. Perfect. Now I gotta do a few more of those. Now if you're not outdoor cooking like me, after you set this up, put it in the freezer for like 1 hour to firm, and then it will be easier to deep fry. I'm gonna do my best with an ice I got, but if not, I'm just gonna do it. Wow, look at the hash brown we got. Now we're gonna slowly deep fry it. The heat is on. I'm gonna turn to high heat first, heating up the pan and the oil, and then we're gonna move to low to medium heat and deep fry our shallow fry, not deep fry, shallow fry our hash brown. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after the hash brown is done, we are going to make a 1-pan English breakfast. All right, pour the oil in. Look like this one is gonna burn my leg. Very dangerous area. Okay, you don't want to burn my leg, do we? Okay, slowly add our hash brown. I'll come to this way. But it's not gonna shape like the shape I want. So far away. I'll say, oh, hi. We got a friend. Oh, you want some bacon? Want some bacon? Oh, look at the company. Here. Stand up. Stand up. Can you do the trick? Alright, I'm gonna put this one. Oh my god. Do not jump. Don't you dare jump. This one needs a little bit more, but I think this one also ready too. Wow. Don't you jump, you little fluffy thing. Little pom-pom tail. Look delicious. Look at that hash brown, guys. The hash brown is done. The next step, we are going to cook egg, bacon, sausages, baked beans, bread in one pan. Let's do this. Let's get some oil in here first. So we're gonna cook some bacon and sausages. Like any one of you, does anyone like crispy bacon? I love crispy bacon. Alright. Just gonna do a few there. Bacon done. Add some sausages. We're gonna cut it first. Whoa. Just wait for that bacon oil to dripping in the middles. Meanwhile, we can grill our mushroom on the sides. Butter a little bit. This bread I bought from 7, and this one is sandwich bread with buttermilk. Oh, it smells so good. So let's toast some bread first with that bacon oil. Yummy, yummy. Some tomato on the sides. Look at how beautiful that is. I want to grill the bread first. Turn on a really light heat. Get some of that butter all around. Alright, let's flip the let's flip the bread. Gonna add more butter. And then we flip. Oh, it smells so good. I'm hungry. Hungry. Share some mushroom. Patience is the key. This one is Germany spicy sauces. We're cooking English breakfast. How come I order the Germany sausage? Okay, the bread's ready. I'm gonna cut it in half. And then rest it somewhere here. I'm gonna add the egg now. So butter. Two. Wow. Almost time to eat. We're going to add our baked bean in the middle. Wow. Guys, I wish you can smell this. This smells amazing. Look at that. Now that is finished. It's time for taste test. This one gonna heat up so quick. Let's do this. Let's pour some homemade orange juice. I made this one. And now, perfect English breakfast. Let's dig in. Start from the bread. We're gonna dip in this juicy running egg yolk. Perfecto. Let's see how the hash brown. We dip the hash brown in the sauce, in the baked bean. I want to try the sausages. Wow, so flavorful. Let's do like this. Bacon, egg, baked beans. I love the combination. You guys let me know how you think about this English breakfast. And in the next video, I'm gonna take you to cook a tom yum lobster. So if you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.